AJC will be here in 30, and then you have a break until the live feed.
Great. Thank you. Who's that? Hi. Can I help you?
Hi, I'm Colette Jones, and this is my institution. You can help me by rounding up your people and kindly vacating the premises.
We got some shit to go over for the Grammys, okay? They need releases so they can play my catalog. And I want Iman to intro me. All right, that's non-negotiable.
I'm on it. I got all the paperwork, but there's something going on with the publishing. The music's not clearing.
What are you talking about? Sage. No, she can't do that. No, what I'm saying is she has no fucking right. I figured it out. Okay, so now Colette is kicking the future governor out of high water like she run the shit? What the fuck is going on right now, man?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck? What, oh, fuck? Oh, fuck what?
The powers of attorney that you had me draw up for Colette.
What?
Oh, fuck.
You fucking kidding
The
me?
fucking copies.
What?
The fucking copies. They're good copies, but they're fucking copies. Look, these just have your signature on them. She must have the original, sign them, execute them, and that's why your fucking music isn't clearing.
What?
Until I figure all this shit out. She controls everything. Your label, your artists, your masters, your publishing, high water, your fucking penthouse. It's all hers.
Look, baby, there's some shit going down and I gotta leave Atlanta tonight.
All of a sudden, just like that.
I don't think I have a choice. It's like, I don't know, things are getting crazy.
I have to ask you something.
What's up, baby?
You didn't steal my money, did you?
How could you even ask me that?
Because the money was here and now it isn't. You're the only person that's been in my room other than Odie.
I would never steal from you. I would never do anything to hurt you. Don't you know that?
I do. I'm sorry. I want to come with you. Yes. Wherever you go. But I can't until I sort this shit with my money.
What's the deal with the money? What's going on? What the fuck? What? Is this the cunt?
JJ, calm down.
Is this the cunt? Whoa, wait. Whoa, hey!
Stop! Where's my fucking money? Oh my God! Where's the fucking money, man? Stop! Give me the money.
God, whoa, dude, I ain't take your fucking money. Fuck!
Fuck's sakes, JJ, I believe him.
Hey, will you believe this shit?
JJ, chill, man,
Man,
please.
you got the wrong person, man. No, I don't think I do. You take your money.
How you doing?
Little mad.
I was trying to hurry up.
I called you like 3 times.
I know. I was trying to find my goddamn water bottle. I couldn't find it. Because I'm about to be at my job for like 15 hours. So I was trying to hurry up. I'm sorry. Shit. My phone won't work. This shit is annoying. Okay.
So it didn't give me a location.
It didn't?
Nah.
Okay, let me see. 1 second, I'm sorry. It says, on my phone it says heading to a destination.
That's your home.
It say home?
Yep.
Oh God. Okay, 1 second, I'm sorry. No destination enter. Okay. I'm about to put it in, I'm sorry. I was trying to rush. I don't know what the fuck I was doing. No phone, no price. You got it now?
Yep.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What kind of phone you got?
An iPhone. You got an iPhone charger?
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
No.
Oh God, thank you so much. I'm trying to just hurry me get to work. Okay. Your charge you got, it's bending. I just want to let you know.
Say it again.
Your charge you got is like broke.
Oh man.
But it's okay. I can still use it. But I want to let you know so like when somebody else get it, they was like, "Oh, keep working your charge." I just want to let you know. I can still charge it. I think. No, I can't charge it.
Damn.
Let me see.
That's the second damn charger I bought. First I had the one where it's three different ones on the same line.
Yeah.
The lady let her kid kick the damn thing.
It's okay. I'm not really tripping about it. It's okay.
No, I'm just saying, like,
Yeah.
I try to help out,
Yeah, I understand that.
and it's, you know, they don't say nothing.
They just let it be.
They just let it be.
It's okay.
Like, damn.
I'm not tripping. When I get to work, I'll charge it, but I just want to let you know so you don't think I like broke it or anything.
I appreciate it.
I'm about to put my headphones in, so if you say something, you know.
No problem.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll be there in 27 minutes.
It's okay. I'm not tripping.